Hey everyone, this is Stephanie at Hightower Stitching, bringing you today's video. It's number 206, and it's called the Winter Wind Draft Stopper. And this all started because one of my neighbors had a draft in the bottom of the door, and I thought, well, maybe I can do something. Well, I looked it up online, and I saw, oh yeah, you can buy one for $28. Okay. And then I found some other ones that were less expensive. And I said, I've got all kinds of fabric. Let me look and see what I've got that I can make my this draft stopper out of. So that's where I'm going today. And the first one I made, I had a piece of canvas-like material that I had been intending to recover a chair, an outdoor chair. Well, I ended up throwing that metal part away, and I still had this great fabric, and it's nice and heavy, so I was able to just make one layer of fabric to do it, and then put a little tab on the end that it makes it easy to pick up and move or to store later. All those things I saw, and I thought, well, I can do those. And so I got that one done, and it's filled with rice. It just took 2 bags, and I didn't know, I don't care what brand it is or not, but it took 2 bags that are 16 ounces to fill the smaller one that I just made. And this one started out with a 28 by 7 inch material. And when I got done, it ended up being, that's 28, was 27 by 6.5. And the second number is how far it is going around, so you can decide where it'll go. And you might need a smaller one and put it in a window. Like I've got one drafty kitchen window, and I thought, well, I'll just go make a little one for that, and that'd be fun. And then I said, when I was talking to her, though, she said, it sort of leaks more on one end than the other. It's got a little bigger leak. So I said, well, I'm going to get back out and look at my material and see what I want to do this time. And I found a heavy material, and then I really liked it. I said, now this one's going to be really pretty. And so what I did on this one, and I doubled the fabric on this one when I got ready to do it. And the bigger one started out with 35 inches long, and then 8 3/4 inch the fabric. When I got finished, almost finished with it, I'm not quite finished, it's going to be 33 inches long and 8 inches round, which is going to be kind of funny and big, but it's going to do well, and it's a little looser material than that canvas that I was using, so I expect it to really mold in. And I've already done it, because what I did was, done part of it, because I did it like a tube, where you fold the right sides together on the long part. And here's the other one that I'm doing. Started another one. And this one's the same size as the first one. And did the seam, folded it, and then seamed it. And then I actually seamed it twice, because it's going to have rice in it also. And I want to make sure that rice is not creeping around on the floor. And so once I got that seamed twice, then I started and I turned it inside out. And there are a lot of ways to turn things inside out. But these were so big that I could just reach in and grab and pull, and then finally you'll get it to a place where I hoped I didn't got it far enough so you could see it. Let's see. I'm pulling, keep pulling it out, but you can hook a pin on the end of it. There's all kinds of things you can do, and then pull it through. But once you get it going, I just had to get it going. And I sort of keep going around, because this is a heavy material. And once I get it to a certain spot, I can actually hold on to this end and then pull the other part through underneath there. And then I take and sew one end shut, And then the other end, I've got a piece of tab material. It could be just another piece of material. This was a piece of belting that I had left from a handbag. And so when I filled it up with the rice, then I did a good job of a double, triple, put the band in first, and then double and triple stitched it across there again, just trying to keep that rice in there. And so that's my goodie for today, and it's just something to solve a problem. If there are any notes, anything I've forgotten, I will put those in the description. Thank you for watching.